Today, let's check out the slices transition, a slick way to add movement and style when switching between clips. Let's get into it. Start by loading your clips onto the timeline. Then, tap the white square icon between the clips to open the transition menu. Now, scroll to the slices section. This category gives you several slice transitions where your screen is split into multiple pieces that slide in and out to reveal the next clip. Some transitions slice from top to bottom, others go diagonally or from side to side. You'll also notice some with unique angles and directions, so you can choose the one that best matches your video's vibe. Tap on one to preview it in action. Use the duration slider to control how quick or dramatic the slice transition is. Once you've picked your favorite, just tap the check mark, and that's it. You've added a clean and stylish slices transition to your video in just a few taps. If you like this tip, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fast InShot tutorials.